Jake is trapped in a dead-end job going round and round with no future in sight. Jake knew that if he wanted a better life, he had to make a change. Attending the Bounty Hunter Training Academy was the answer, a job that could get him somewhere. He wanted more life, more power, more excitement, and more money. Then Jake discovered Bounty Hunter Training Academy, the only live course taught by legendary bounty hunter Scott Bernstein, who has appeared on TV shows from Oprah to 60 Minutes and recognized as the top bounty hunter in the world, with over 6,000 plus fugitives captured. Jake registered immediately because he was smart enough to see the writing on the wall. The authenticity, hundreds of testimonials, the awards, the media recognition, as compared to the phony bounty hunting online training offered by imposters. The first day, Jake was bounty hunting. Jake learned Scott's key tactical bounty hunting strategies to always be in control of any given situation. He watched Scott teach a 5'4" housewife how to use Krav Maga skills to take down a 6'2" former Marine. Scott showed Jake how to handcuff a scumbag in less than 1 second, how to disarm anyone in any situation, and how to turn random items into powerful weapons. Jake learned the same techniques Scott teaches to SWAT, police, and military in dozens of countries worldwide. On day 2, Jake dove into intelligence gathering, fugitive profiling, and behavioral analysis to determine a fugitive's location and catch them off guard. Jake discovered that bounty hunters have broader arrest powers than the police, secrets to acquiring lucrative government contracts, and how Academy graduates earn from $1,000 to $50,000 or more in cash in one day, safely and effectively. And one of the hundreds of amazing secrets only Scott teaches, how to find your fugitive and collect your bounty in less than 5 minutes. Within just a couple days of the training, Jake hunted down and caught his first fugitive and could smell his future as the bail bondsman handed him a stack of cash. Whether you have experience in law enforcement, military, security, or just know you have a bigger future hidden inside you, you've got to get to this training. Registration is first come, first serve, and will close when filled. Only you can make the decision to change your life forever. Go to the registration page, choose your location, and secure your spot today, before it's gone.